I want to share with you a bit of what we do with our student programs for the last 7 years, the success we have, and why it works for us. In current times, in a world where everything moves to AI and technology, we at Drotsky understand the importance of working with your hands, a skill that technology will never be able to do. We invest our time and a lot of experience into student programs to enrich the student's life with the experience and the knowledge on how to become the best in their trade. We are a host company for many colleges where students can learn how the workplace are operating, what's the perks, what to do, what not to do, and just by that they gain so much experience before they even started working. For many companies, they misuse this opportunity by getting funding from CETAs, taking in students, and then realize they don't have the capabilities to use the students to learn and teach them how to operate in a workplace. And that is why us as a host company, without getting any funding from CETA or from the government or any place else, we receive nothing except from grateful hearts and grateful students coming back, returning and saying thank you for the opportunity and the skills we learned. Not only the hand skills, but also a little bit of intelligent knowledge and how to operate and understand how a workplace operates. I will give a few students the opportunity to share their point of what it is by working at Drotsky and learning at this host company.
I've learned how to operate a lathe machine. We've been drilling sprockets, we've been drilling rollers. I've learned how to countersink. I've learned how to assemble those hammer mill machines. We learn new things every day. Just like today, I've learned how to operate the drilling machine, the pedestal one. From here, I gain experience. By now, I know how to hold a spanner. They are very positive. They are very educational. They've taught me a lot of things. I'm here because of them.
I learned a lot as I was a student. Was a lot of things which I didn't know, but as I arrived here, I was exposed to many things like operating the machine. We are basically showing them things that they must do, the things that they showed me as a student. There's a future here. Drotsky is a nice company. We build machines, various types of machines, and we're building quality machines.
So I've been here in Drotsky since last year, August. We work there, we do welding, and then we work at the lathe machine. So I've been on the bending machine for a while. So that's where I get more experience. I'm learning a lot regarding drawings and stuff. I enjoy being exposed to many opportunities, and being here at Drotsky is quite amazing because as students we get exposed to certain things and different things every day. For me, it's not like other companies that give students opportunities to learn. Drotsky gave us that opportunity. They gave us a chance to learn.
We encourage everyone, the CETAs, the colleges, to never stop this program. It's one of the best programs for students, the opportunity they have. For us as a host company, we really enjoy seeing young upcoming stars building towards their future. We thank you, we encourage you, keep on doing good work.